left. I sure hope it hasn't. It hasn't. I said it. Look at these boys. It's the Trojan one. So these are microcars on motorcycle licenses. There's an Austin 7 beside. These are two-seaters, one door at the very front, fridge-style door, like the old style. Here we go, is it? Yeah, the original is the door came out with. Looks like it's been retrofitted with a newer system. Look at those. I mean, these are like legit bubble cars. Most of these had between 12 and 13 horsepower. Is this the two-wheel type? So it's 3 wheels, it's 3 wheel, sorry, 4 or 3 wheel. Look at the rear-mounted iPad for the entertainment of people behind you. Although surely driving one of these is entertainment enough for the people behind you. This is my friend's dream car, an Austin 7. They are unbelievably nice. My friend Delia's utter dream car is the 7. With a hand crank, of course. I'm not sure what series this is. This is clearly a hearse. It's not. It's not. It's nowhere near long enough. Oh, no, this is a Mini Clubman. So there's a guy apparently in the UK that makes these baskets and the strapping for them. And apparently they're very inexpensive. So if you need them, you can get them quite cheaply. We have another classic Beetle here. Is it 3 wheel? Yeah, the I said it's 3 wheel. Those are by far the smallest wheels we're going to see today. I think they're 11 inches on most of the Isetas. They are just they're unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. The Iseta's still here. I might actually move the van up. In case you missed the Iseta. Is this yours?
No, that's right.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you very much.
I'm live, by the way, if that's okay.
Yes,
yeah?
of course.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely love it.
Very kind
It's
of you.
incredible. Absolutely incredible. Is it much of a pain getting it up these hills?
Well, that one was brought in on a trailer. She does drive.
Okay.
She does
Right.
drive, but she would top about maybe 25, 30 miles an hour.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you want those as well?
You get in at the front.
Oh yes,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
right. You get in at the front.
The fridge door style.
Yes, go through here. So,
You have the stationary steering column, yeah.
But my father restored it. He
That is,
took around about 6 years to restore.
Jeez.
But she was a family car of 1963. So
Wonderful.
I think every man and woman should have one of these now.
Is that right?
For climate change.
Oh, there's no doubt. Well, she gets about 100 miles a gallon, so
It's not bad.
she does well.
It's not bad at all. 12 horsepower, 13?
10.
10? 10.
10, 195 cc.
Oh, jeez, right, 195.
And,
I think that's
so my father restored it from scratch. So there's
Beautiful.
actually pictures of it when she first came at the back there. So
It's
I think it was an
stunning.
envy cost engine.
that's a question from my father.
It's Italian.
Yeah, they're just at the back there on the left, should be.
They made the motorbikes, you see.
That's right.
Yes.
Big engine.
Yeah.
86 tax discs.
I think these actually were made from Croydon. It's from what my father was telling me.
Okay, yeah. Unbelievably nice.
They're nice.
Yeah, 200cc.
Yes, they're lovely. Definitely not. I think they say around about maybe 4 to 5 in Northern Ireland.
That's brilliant.
You might maybe get 7 or 8 down the south.
A real treat.
Well, he paid 2 for it, and he put about 6 into it. They reach anywhere between, I've seen them as high as 32,000,
Yeah, they go.
but I would say more recently maybe about 15 to 20.
We don't know if I'll be
It's more money than I have.
60.
Well, that's true.
That's stunning. Absolutely gorgeous.
It's good gear you have here in the set.
Yes, outside broadcasting bag, so
Oh, very good. Excellent.
it's just going straight to the internet.
Very good. YouTube.
It's good fun. Twitch.
Okay, I'll make follow you if you. What's your name?
Thank you, Ellen, from now on. If you're just doing, I brought the escargot here today. We have the Twitch chat funded a weird vehicle.
Okay.
And so we're just going on tours of car shows, seeing other weird vehicles.
Great. You
There's
might
the-
follow you.
Yeah, of course.
What's your name again?
Ellen, from now on, ELLEN, from now on. There we go. Really early today, so usually in the evening, but it's so much. Couldn't miss this. It's fantastic. Definitely the car of the show.
Thank you so much.
Car of the show.
Very kind of you.
Easily. See a little
Very
Izetta.
kind. This is our first
style.
time here, so.
Yeah, it's my first time. It's
Yeah.
a snail.
Oh, that's you there. Awesome.
I like the TCVs here as well. There's some nice, nice
definitely,
TCVs.
Definitely. Oh, there you are. Excellent. Thank you so much.
No
Give
worries.
you a wee follow.
Grand so. Thank
so
you.
much.
What's your name, sorry?
Mark.
Mark. Ellen, good to
Williamson.
meet you.
I'm a follower, Raymond.
Excellent.
So he hasn't done too much of this one.
Oh, the 7?
Yeah, he
Got-
owned this one as well. So
I have one of my really close friends, Delia. The 7 is her dream car.
Okay.
The 34 a year and
Very good.
past,
Very
because it's the first one that doesn't have the fuel tank above your knees.
Yes, that's right.
It's her dream car, and she's in the process of saving up for one. So
Cool. That's 38.
hopefully, 38. Oh yeah,
38.
yeah.
I got 63.
It's in such good condition. Like the cabinet, the upholstery in that's fantastic as well. Looks great. Really, really nice. And you have the full luggage tray on the back as well.
Yes. We actually got the wee police helmets as well.
Oh.
With it, so.
Excellent. Very cute. Very
There you
cute.
are. It's very kind of you. Thanks so much.
Yeah,
for
pleasure.
coming over.
Pleasure. Twitch chat says hi. Mark.
I was.
Right. See you later.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. God, look at this one. Another time there. Gorgeous. Well, hi, Mark. Isn't that cool? I'm not saying it isn't a bubble, just adding it's a death trap. I mean, yes, every Izetta style vehicle is a complete death trap, but so are many cars here. So is the Snan. Look, here's a Citroen Saxo. That's a death trap. Doesn't mean it's not so much fun.